Hello everyone and welcome to our quilling video. Today we'll be showing you how to make this multicolored peacock feather shaped earring. As you can see, we have used different strips in this and we have used the combing method in it. You can use a quilling comb. We're just using a normal comb like this, and we need our quilling tool for this, a paintbrush. Here we have a round nose plier that we're going to use to attach our hooks and our jump rings. As you can see, we have a couple of jump rings and a couple of hooks, and we'll be needing some glue. The strips that we're using, we have used two-tone strips. Those are the shaded ones, but you can also use normal strips if you want. And we have 6 strips over here. As you can see, in blue, a dark green, a lighter green, yellow, orange, and we have a purple one like this. Apart from these 6 strips, we'll also be needing half a strip of purple that we're going to use to cover our earring, and also for the top we need 1/4 of a strip, that too in purple. Now first we're going to attach all our strips and make it into one long strip. We're going to go by color: purple, blue, dark green, light green, orange and yellow. After we've attached these strips, we're going to show you how to make it using a comb. Now as you can see, we've attached our strips and made it into a long strip. We're starting with the purple, which turns into blue, the blue going into a green, a lighter green like this, and turning into yellow, a green yellow, and finally we have the orange. Now the orange side is the side that we're going to start combing, that we're going to start making a earring with. Now we're just going to make a loop over here like this. You can see we're just making a loop on one side, starting with the orange strip, and we're going to apply just a tiny bit of glue. And we're going to secure our loop over here like this. You can see we have a loop over here. Now we'll just start combing it in. As you can see, we'll keep putting our strip and turning it over. Now we go into the next one. We're just going to go into one after the other the teeth of the comb, and we're going to make loops out of it like this. Turning it again, going into the next one like this, and turning our comb back again to make another loop like so. And we're going to continue doing this till we've finished it, till we reach the end of our strip, and then we're going to glue it. Now as you can see, we're halfway there. We've done 3 strips and we have 3 more to go. As you can see how it is developing. Now we'll finish the entire thing. Just go on winding it on the comb, one teeth after the other, and then we're going to show you how to make the earring. As you can see, we're almost at the end of our strip. That's the last one that we're doing. After this, we're going to stick it to the side using our glue over here. Like so. And we're going to take it out very carefully, holding it from here so that we don't spoil the loops that we've made. Like this. As you can see, we have our feather over here. Now we're going to apply a little glue over here. Press it in, and we're going to hold this so that the loops don't open up like this. Now we'll let this dry, and then we're going to fold it into our earring. Now we have a feather over here that we're going to fold it into our earring. Just holding this end with your thumb, pinching this one, we're going to gently fold it over. Like this. Just pressing it a little to give it a shape. Like this. Now we're going to cover it with the half strip of purples that we have. First we're going to apply a little glue over here. Like so. Then we're going to hold it like this, apply a little glue over here. Take our purple strip and start winding it outside the earring. Just holding it like this, taking it on the outside edges, wrapping it up, stick it with some glue, and there we have it, like this. Now we'll let this dry, and we're going to make the loop for the top. Using the quarter strip of purple that we have, we're going to make a tight circle. Now we're going to stick this to the top of our earring. Applying a little glue. Like so. Now we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to attach a earring hook on top. Now we already have one that is dry, so we can show you how to attach the earring hook on that one. For that we'll be needing a jump ring and a earring hook. Using our round pliers, we're just going to open our jump ring. Take it inside the loop that we've attached on top. Put a hook into it and close the jump ring back. And there we have our earring. Now we can apply glue all over it to secure our loops. Just taking a brush and a little glue, we're going to go all over it. Like this. There we have our earring complete. If you liked our video, you can watch our other videos. Please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For other designs, you can go to our Facebook page, that is Nikinesh Paper Jewelry. Thanks for watching our video.